Hello friends, this is Prajal Mankar from Android.com. Today we are going to review an app called as Paperboy, developed by Dottedcircle. This is a social app reader which fetches the feeds from the various sites resources to have all the news and updates at your handheld devices, smartphones, tablets. So let us get moving. You see, it's very elegant UI. Right now I'm already been signed in as a Google user, so it authenticates me directly. But in case you are a first time user for this application, it will give you a user credentials which you need to fit in, authenticate it. If you are already signed into a Google account on your tablet or a phone, it will authenticate you directly, taking approximately 10 seconds. But however, in case you want to try it as a guest, you can do it using unlimited permissions. So let us get moving. If you see this UI, you have a very elegant UI. You have a mild black gray background, and you have a very nice UI. Let us select channels. So here you can select all the channels. Now, how do we select the channels? You see, now this update has provided a lot of font changes. It's got home, source list, user network, settings, feedback, logout, and about Paperboy. So let me just check source list. So these are all the sources which have been by default added onto the server. And here you see Android.com, and if I go in, it has got all the sites which are prominently used by users in India. And they've really done a fantastic job in covering most of the sites. So you see Engadget, you see Digit, Your Story, Android, Verge, Deccan Herald, ESPN. So it's covered mostly all the sites which have been widely used across it. So let me just randomly select some of the sites. So let's say I select Engadget, I say Verge, Digit, Your Story, Android, Deccan Herald, and ESPN. Okay, so I can go back and you see all the options which have been selected by me a moment ago. So now the interesting thing about this application, it has got a pull to refresh. So you see these here refreshing articles. We keep doing it. It's been very interactive. It'll just keep a notification that you've been already refreshing the articles. And here you see number of articles which are available, and let us wait for a while to see this updates getting moved on. So let me just keep on trying. You see this already refreshing. Be patient. So it's been very interactive for the users to know that okay, if they are doing a frequent updates or I mean refresh, it will notify you that. So now you see the words Engadget, Your Story, Digit. It will show you some counters which have been articles to be read. And let us get into Android, of course. Now coming to this point, it has got a pin, it has got a various other option, open in browser. You can open this browser. The images would take a little while to get loaded, but the interesting part about it is you can read through the whole thing. It exactly looks like how probably you could read onto the site. And let me just, now this theme exactly looks the same. Nothing. You can also G+ this, favorite this. Also you can share it on the social site, like Twitter, Facebook, Pocket, Google+. Also it's got a very nice way of presentations. I mean, you can just read through very conveniently. Let us go back to various other phrases. So you just need to slide, and slide is pretty quick. So this is the articles which have been updated today. You can like it and you get a notification, I like this. Similarly, you can just cross move across various and can slide back. Very interesting. They have also posted about the nice logo about the portal. And let us go back and select some other stories as well. So Your Story, you see a logo here, and you can share this across various other user media. Of course, these images would take a slight time, but fair enough. I mean, it probably takes just 2 seconds to 3 seconds to get it loaded. Added to the read list later. That's a new feature which has been provided, wherein you can just read these articles later. So it's been very user friendly as far as So now if you're updating it, you just need to slide these icons, and you see an option called as it's getting refreshed. So let's go to the popular list. Right now there are nothing available, so let us go to Deccan Herald Meanwhile. You see that? I mean, it does not take more than 2 or 3 seconds to get it. Of course, it depends on the image quality and the upload size as well. But as for now, let us go back and see the user network. Shows you all the users who have been connected by G+, the Google account, of course. And go back. You can send the feedbacks. Okay, I'll just dismiss it as for now. Settings. Okay, this is a very interesting part which most of the developers could take into consideration. In case you opt to load the images or not to load images, this is the option which you could sort the orders. New article first, you can sort any random order. Force tablet mode, this is on the coming soon mode, certainly would be very interesting to look forward to. Data refresh, you can set the data refresh options, load from. Most important thing as a developer, it's more important to clear the cache, and that's one of the features which has been provided into this. Version build is 3.8. Let us just go to the schedule settings, and if you see this, it gives you all the automatic updates which could be data refresh. Instead of pull to refresh features, this could be one of the features which you could select or with the application. So let's check out the other source lists available, and these are the available source lists. And to summarize this, I think this is one of the applications which is really impressive. More than 4.5 rating on Play. I'm sure this app is going to really rock the market, and it's worth a shot. I'm sure this application is going to be a great boon for Indian readers. It's a pocket. I mean, I've tried it even on a Samsung Galaxy S3. Let me show you on a Samsung Galaxy S3. So this is where it looks like on a Samsung Galaxy, and we can select the applications. You see, it's supported to all the same prices. So I'm sure this is one of the applications you should definitely try.